Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy YALA token on Binance Alpha. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search YALA. Search it and you will find YALA on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the charts. It's not really bad, I think. I don't know. You can do your own research. But because it's just launched on Binance Alpha, so the chart is like this, guys. You can see, you know, the wider charts. And if you want to see the details, you can click info in the top. You will find the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Volume is good, I think, the volume. And also you can check their social media and their websites. So you can check the audit here. There is one caution. Min table detected. Okay, you can read it, guys, and if you want to buy it, you can simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order, which is you can put the price you want to buy like this. Also, you can choose instant buy. You can just swap your USDT or other token to YALA. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.